Hello everyone. Welcome back to Guide Pro. In this video, I will show you how to send an audio file on Instagram. Since Instagram does not allow you to send audio files directly in chats, you can use this simple method to share any audio file with someone. So let's get started. First, open Google Drive on your phone. Make sure you are signed into your account. Now tap on the plus icon at the bottom right corner. Then tap on Upload. Next, tap on Browse and select the audio file that you want to send. You can rename the file if you want. Once everything is ready, tap on Upload. Wait for the audio file to finish uploading. Now tap on the three dots next to the uploaded file. Then select Copy Link. Your shareable link has now been copied. Next, open Instagram on your phone. Go to your messages and open the chat where you want to send the audio file. Paste the copied link into the chat and tap on Send. The other person can now open the link to access the audio file. If the audio does not open properly inside Instagram, they can tap on the three dots at the top right corner and select Open in Browser. The audio file should then open and play normally. So this is how you can send audio files on Instagram. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to Guide Pro. Hello